In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to CSV. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet of your tasks that you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or any analytics tool. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a lightweight format that's great for reporting, backups, or sharing a snapshot of your work without giving full access to your workspace. First, head over to ClickUp in your browser and sign in if you're not already. I recommend doing this on a desktop for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your personal and workspace controls. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one that holds the tasks you want to export. Next, choose Settings. This takes you to a central area where you can manage personal and workspace options. If you don't see something mentioned here, it may be due to your role or permissions, so check with an admin if needed. In the Settings sidebar, find and open Imports/Exports. This section handles bringing data into ClickUp as well as getting it out, so make sure you're on the right tab before proceeding. On that page, click Export instead. This switches you from import mode to export mode so you can generate a CSV. It sounds simple, but it's an easy toggle to miss if you're moving quickly. Now select the location you want to export. Location refers to the scope of your data. You can target a space, a folder, or a specific list. The more precise you are, the cleaner your CSV will be. For example, exporting at the list level gives you just those tasks, while exporting at the space level gathers everything inside that space. Choosing a narrower location can reduce file size and speed up the process. When you're confident about the location, click Start Export. Depending on how many tasks you have, this can take a moment. Don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. Larger workspaces need a bit more time. When it's ready, ClickUp will generate your CSV for download, and in some cases you may also receive a link via email. After the file is saved, open it to verify the contents. You'll typically see task names, statuses, assignees, due dates, and other standard fields. If dates or special characters look off, adjust your spreadsheet's import settings or delimiter recognition so everything displays correctly. That's it. You've successfully exported your ClickUp tasks to CSV. Use this file for reporting, audits, or migration, and repeat the same process anytime you need a fresh snapshot of your work.